Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin and this is Beauty with Sin, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing this wig, but we're going to be reviewing it in the original color that I saw advertised before I got that. So I have it off to the side and it is the 360 Butter Lace HD Lace from Sensationel. It's glueless. This is the color Butterscotch. Now, when I first saw this wig, I was trying to get it, but it was sold out everywhere. I then tried to find it on Amazon, and I couldn't find it on Amazon. I found it. It took too long to ship. And then it so happens that I was like, okay, I'm just going to buy it because I want to try the wig. So I ended up buying this color. I forgot what the name of this color is. If I find the little card, I will put it in the description, so check out the description below. But I wanted to do the beginning part of this by unboxing this so I can actually show you this wig. I love this color. This blonde on this wig is so beautiful. Like, look at how pretty this wig is. This color, I even like it, but I was going more for like more of that blondie color in there. And so we're gonna take it out of the packaging. We're not gonna disturb it too much on there, but we're going to put that to the side. And this is the wig. This is the wig. This is the color. Oh, do you see that blonde? That blonde is beautiful. This is her. So if I look on the stock card, I believe the color that I'm currently wearing is chestnut blonde. I believe that's the color that I'm currently wearing in the same style. And the one that I purchased is actually what's on the stock card. And it is Unit 2 Butterscotch Blonde. Now, when it was sold out, I actually was on, you know, I get all my wigs from Wig Types. If I can't get them from there, every now and again I'll find them on Amazon. And so this was sold out. So Wig Type sent me an email and said it was back in stock. And so I was like, oh, I will definitely review that. I needed to rock this wig this past weekend at the CMA Fest. So that is the reason why I did not do a get ready with me or even like showcase this wig. But I knew this was going to come eventually, and I said, you know what, I'm going to hold off from reviewing it, but I definitely am going to be showing you guys this wig. I have a few items here. This wig is glueless, and we're going to look at the specs. So it comes in an array of different colors. This is, let's look more at this. So we have the glueless HD hand tied all around lace, and it has lace at the back so you can put it up actually in a ponytail. You definitely can put it in a ponytail because it has a little piece of lace there. I haven't tried it, but if you want to put it in a ponytail, the lace is back there. You clip just a little bit off and you can maneuver that style that you see right here. So yeah, it is pre-plucked, but not a lot, because I will tell you this, and I'm going to come closer. I took the tweezers and I kind of like plucked out some of this. I'm actually going to pop up a picture here somewhere so you can see when I originally wore this, because it did not have that much, you know, like plucking. And I feel like you only need to pluck like right here in this area right here, just a tad bit. You don't want to over pluck it because that's when you mess it up. So let's look at the wig. Let's take it out of the bag. The little lace. You know how this stuff comes already. Thank God I ended up, the lace is enough lace because I almost cut it off when I was trying to like get this out. So I'm going to show you all the specs. So you have the lace in the front, and then you have this piece of lace here at the back. And this lace, to me, right, I feel like the back lace should have been the lace they use on the front. But I think what it is, it's a stocking cap feel. It doesn't feel like the lace. It's sheer, but it's like stocking cap. So that's what that is. But look at the transition in color. Like, look at that. So this is the color transition from this side, and then look how they transition this blonde in there. Can you part it in a different parting space? No, you may be able to like shift it, but like I want to show you where, if you pull, it does come with baby hairs, but you know I don't use the baby hairs. But like in the front right there, you're gonna have to pluck just a tad bit and get you a good tweezer. I got this really good one from the beauty supply store, and you want to just take it and just like lightly like run your hand through it. Don't pull too hard. You just want to like right up in that area there and loosen up some of that tightness. Because what I noticed with this is that when I put this one on, it had a lot of hair in the front, and it looked like just straight across. And I could still do some more work with this one, but we're going to, it's soft. I love the curls. It keeps the curl. All you need is a paddle brush. I get up and I put this on every day, or you know, since I've had it, I only had it for like about 2 to 3 days now, and I would put it on, and this, you know, this is what I do with it. The curls stay in place, but you want to, you know, it's synthetics. It's a high fiber synthetic, so you just want to like comb it out. And what I like to do is like bring it off my face so that I can give it that look that I'm looking for. Same with this side. Just do that, and the curls bounce back. It just bounced right back, and that's why I love it. So I'm happy that I got both. I'm just bringing this color, but yeah, this is a chestnut blonde, and then this is the butterscotch blonde. Look at that. Look at that blonde. I love this blonde. This blonde is so pretty. I think this blonde looks great on my skin. We're gonna try it on. I'll come back and try it on, but it's pretty much the same wig. I just wanted to show you like the tones in this wig, and it has good parting space. I ain't gonna even hold you, but look at that. I don't even have a stocking cap on. Yeah, and that's the parting. Yeah, so Sensationel did their big one with this one, and I definitely think that it's great. So in the next clip, you'll see me try this one on, and yeah, so stay tuned for that next clip. All right, so okay, so I have it still on. I have the stocking cap on. It comes with a little elastic strap in there, but to me, I don't really need that because it is big head friendly. And so what I've done is, and this is glueless, you don't have to like glue this down. The one that I had on, I just used a little bit of my Got To Be or Eben, and don't come for me on the comments, this lace bond Eben glue thing. I just used that. And so but I think what you need to do is just adjust the straps. So I'm over here adjusting the straps, and you guys know I like to give you the specs of the wig. It comes with like the elastic bands inside. Though the band inside, if you can sew, I suggest you get a thicker band and kind of sew it on, because this to me is not the greatest quality band. That's the only thing that I will say. Like, you need to do the straps. You definitely need to do the straps, and don't mind the stocking cap, because lately I've been using like a brown stocking cap. So once you adjust the straps, and I'm looking down here in the mirror, I gotta make sure that I'm in centered because I'm not centered. Like, there we go. Yeah. But this is first impression. Don't mind the stocking cap. Like I said, the stocking cap is a different color stocking cap than I usually wear, and I don't remember where, because the other wig I didn't have a stocking cap on. So this is the same wig, but this is the color that I wanted so bad. Like, when I tell y'all I wanted this so bad, this was my color. I feel like this is the best blonde for me if I'm gonna go blonde. Dyeing my own natural hair, I was like, yeah, I'll probably do blonde, because I think it looks good on my skin tone. And I believe like blonde looks really good, or lighter colors look good with people who have yellow undertones, and I have a lot of yellow undertones, so definitely this is it. But yeah, this is the wig. Not much to talk about with this wig. Like I said, here, like you see in the front there, now I noticed that they pluck some, but what I'll do is I'll still go in and pluck just a tad bit from in this area here to kind of loosen up that tightness, because you want it to like be, you know, when you put it on your scalp. Like, so if I take the stocking cap, pushed it back a little bit, and then I just put this on my scalp, when I cut that lace off, it's gonna still leave like a line of demarcation. So you kind of want to thin out just right here. Right here is just where you want to thin out, and not a whole lot. Like, you literally don't even need to do a whole lot. Like, you could take the comb, pull this much out like that, take your clip and you clip it back, and then you just, and I don't have my mirror with me, but I'm just going like eyeballing it, right, so that you guys get to see. And you see how easily that comes out. And then now let me pull it back. You see, it's different. Look at it compared to the other side. You loosen it up a bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the side over there, but be careful, because once you do that, ooh, she can go to the side. I can make her work to the side, because you know she can go to the side. I ain't even mad at her if I do to the side, you know. But look the difference on that side to this side. It's just cleaning up just a tad bit. I feel like you have to, because when you cut that lace off, I usually cut the lace underneath here, and so you're gonna need to like make sure that that hairline suits your needs. And so yeah, yep, so we're gonna tighten it up, and yeah, let me know what you think. I will put the link for wig types in here. I will also put the Amazon link, because it's not on Prime, and so because this color isn't very much available, I feel like when you get it and you order it, it takes about like maybe a week for them to send it to you. So if you're interested in getting this one, I say definitely try your luck on wig types, and then if you can't find it, just buy one of the different colors until it comes back in the stock, because I'm quite sure it's probably out of stock already, because I bought it. Today is Tuesday, and I think I probably brought it on Friday or Saturday morning. I don't even remember. But yeah, it might be out of stock, but I love this color. And like I said, you can take it and you can put it up in the ponytail. Like, you can do a lot with her. You can put her up, half down, and you still get the good amount of lace to cut off. You can use the baby hairs if you want to, but I feel with this wig I don't really need to do the baby hairs. So yep, this is she. This is the girl. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this little show and tell of this synthetic wig. Don't forget, she is 360 butter lace, unit 2 by Sensationel. She comes in a variety of colors. I believe she comes in about 8 or 9 colors, and the color I'm wearing is T4 Butterscotch Blonde. She a diva. She is a diva. Okay, she is a diva. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. See you next time. Bye. So I went ahead and cut the lace off. I didn't do any more plucking. I find with this color, this front actually, you know, looks a little better than the other, the darker color one. I think with the darker color one, I might need, once I wash it and, you know, get it all, like wash the lace, tidy up the lace, clean it up, I might able to just see how that looks. But yeah, this is the wig with it cut. It's glueless. I didn't put any of the lace bond on it because I cut back a lot of the lace all the way back, and I just took a little brush, a makeup brush that had excess makeup on, and kind of just shoved it around in the front and left it like that. And this is the final result of this wig. Now the hair quality, the fibers on this synthetic wig is bananas. Now, you know, blonde wigs, they shed. You'll get some shedding. I find when it comes to these colors shed some, but not overly excessive, because even with the other wig, it does not shed as much. So yeah, bye guys.